In our last video, I made a comment about not liking the wheels on this truck, which is our F250 Tremor we have here. I got this thing about 45 days ago. My biggest beef was the silver ring that is around the rims. It's machined in, and on this particular model, I bought the black appearance package, which is an upgrade, and I wanted to have the black rims wheels to match that. So to fix that, what we did was we went to CB Wheels in Macedonia, Ohio, and we picked out these platinum rims from I believe it's a 2026 Takeoff OEM platinum rim. These right here would be machined when it comes from the factory, but they sent these guys out to be powder coated for us, and we threw on a set of these Nitto Ridge grapplers. They were able to find some center hubs from another truck that were matte black and some matte black lugs that kind of pulled the whole look together. So instead of doing the gloss black that came on the stock wheel with the Tremor that also had the machine ring, I went with a satin. The reason I go with a satin on a lot of these is because where we're at, I'm not glossing up my tire with dressing and making it look wet like you see in a lot of when it comes off a showroom floor. I'm getting dirt, mud. I mean, you could see we got a field here. We're always out in the field doing work. We got a gravel driveway, so the tires are always dirty. So I want to have a wheel that matches my tires. I don't want to have that real crazy glossy rim and then faded black tire. And this color satin also matches with the plastic trim on the mirrors, the side vent, the F250. It all goes together, and that's why we picked this color, and I couldn't be happier about it. So if you want this exact look, what we have here is a 20-inch platinum rim. It's a takeoff from a 23 to 2026 platinum. You'll know because every one of those openings in the rim has a machine ring around it. These are 35 by 1250 Nitto Ridge grapplers. And we also have matte black center caps, matte black lugs. No level, no lift. This is a stock stance. I want to thank CB Wheels in Macedonia. They real easy to work with. It only took a week. They were able to powder coat it, get the new tires in, mount, balance, and they installed it for me. I didn't have to deal with any of the BS of taking my current wheels off, trying to powder coat them one at a time, and being without a truck for a while. They also allowed me to trade in my old OEM rims that came with the truck and the Duratrax that were on them, and they're going to take those and probably powder coat them for somebody else. So it all worked out. Great job to those guys. Thank you. In our last video, I made a comment about not liking the rims. F me. Fucking phlegm in the throat.